Voeflow Hairdryer Review 2025 Worth it or overhyped? Honest test. Most people get this wrong by assuming all hairdryers deliver the same results. The surprising truth is that the Voeflow hairdryer combines speed, heat control, and styling efficiency in a compact design. But is it really worth your money? The Voeflow features multiple heat and speed settings, plus an ionization function that reduces frizz. You won't believe how quickly it dries hair compared to standard dryers. Users report up to 30% faster drying times. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable for extended use, which is a huge plus for anyone with thick hair. During testing, the Voeflow maintained consistent heat without hot spots, which prevents hair damage. The diffuser and concentrator attachments are effective for styling and curling. However, some users mention that the noise level is slightly higher than premium salon models. The surprising truth is that despite being powerful, this dryer is priced competitively, making it accessible without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, the Voeflow hairdryer is a legit and effective tool for daily styling. Most people get this wrong by assuming faster drying comes at the cost of hair health, but with Voeflow you get speed, safety and smooth results. If you want a reliable, efficient hairdryer without spending a fortune, this model is worth considering.